Today we're gonna replace tail lamps on F30. This is a 2014 model. So it's really simple. You just need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket to do this. So with the flathead, remove the clip, take the plastic part out, make sure you pull it upwards, then 10mm socket to remove both nuts, and after that just pull the lamp outwards, straight, backwards. It should not be taken sideways, it should be taken straight backwards, otherwise the hook that goes in will get broken. It's a plastic hook, so make sure you do like that, and the connector has to be pressed and taken out. There is a lock for that one also. It's a regular lock. Now for the bulb holder, all the four locks has to be released. Just press it in and pull it up. You'll get so make sure all the four locks has been released by pressing it. And taking the bulb is really simple. Press and counterclockwise direction, just rotate it. Putting it back, press and clockwise direction. You can see the connector here. Just for your demonstration, there is a connector part on the assembly itself, so it should go in that particular place. So simple as that. Just replace your bulbs, press it in, make sure all the locks have been in place. This one is broken. I'll just show you how it looks like. See that? It's just a push clip. A nipple type. So connect the electrical connection, make sure it doesn't come out. The clip has to fall on position, and when you install the lamp you have to push it horizontally straight on, so that the nipple clip doesn't break off. After that you can just install the 10mm nuts, and you can place the plastic cover on top of it from top to bottom, otherwise the lower part clips might break. The last one is the push clip. That's it, and we are done.